Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and I know I said I wasn't going to do a lot of unboxing videos, but I just got so much crap in this week. I figured I'd share. I got this one in. This is from Opa's Diecast Wrecks and Restorations. He sent it along, see if I could do something with it. Really dig the Mustang Mach 1s, or this one's the Boss, I believe. It's missing the whole nose there, but this would make a cool Gaslands post-apocalyptic build, I think. And who doesn't like a Mustang with a big-ass motor sticking out of it? So, huge thanks to him. What else I got? Guy from Facebook and subscriber, John Critchfield, sent me this box of cards. We've got Twin Mill 50th anniversary. Got this cool 68 Dodge Dart. I love the paint scheme on these things. Unreal. 2 gassers. This dragster. A bunch of loose cars. This thing's cool. I like the motors in that. Who doesn't like vans? Dairy deliveries. I have one of these. That's a McDonald's version. It came in a Happy Meal, I think. Another dragster. Metal base. This Nova 2, which I love these things. The little shoebox styles. They look so cool, especially with, I mean, you put flames on anything. Got an old school Hot Wheels. I got some good ideas for that one, actually. What else we got? We got a Nomad. We got a gray with gray Ghost Flame Batmobile. And I got one of those, similar to a Mustang. Got one of these. Motors are cool. El Camino. What else we got here? One, two. We got this, which would make a really cool custom. With all the new wheels I got, it'd be awesome. The old Chevy pickup. I had one of these as a shop truck, actually, when I was when I had the speed shop. Except mine was not a 5-window. I had a 3-window. And then another dragster. And this, which I always like these. I know they're probably not one of the favorite castings of people, but I just thought they looked cool. And it makes a good doorstop. So huge thanks to him. I got some decals going to him in exchange for this huge loot. Big thanks to him. All my subscribers are just awesome. The amount of people that contact me on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, it's just really, it's awesome. And I hear constantly, as a matter of fact, yesterday even, or maybe it was today, I don't know what I had for breakfast. Guy talked about how him and his son got into doing Hot Wheels, and he watches all the videos with his kid, and you know, that's great. Just, you know, I find this relaxing. It gets my mind off of everything that's going on, and it's a release. Even if the cars come out like crap, I still enjoy it. Yeah, I get frustrated, but it's just something that just allows me to chill out. Oh, and he also sent me this Mongoose car. He had sent me some a while ago that were missing some parts and stuff, so I'm definitely going to be doing one of these real soon. I've actually had the decal kit for quite a while. I just haven't found the right car. This one actually looks too good to redo, but I got to do something with one of these. Excuse me. All right, so, and I got this box. This is going to end up being another one of those big, long videos. Let me pause this while I open it. Alright, I'm back. This one, if you watched my last unboxing video, same guy, William Mr. K7 Robinson, is unreal. I got one of these. One of these. He knows I like Volkswagens. Cool combi. Nice. That's good. That one's got the rail riders on there too. Jeez, man. Another Volkswagen. Another Volkswagen. Hey, look. Another Volkswagen. And another. And another. And another. Holy jeez, oh dude. How can one person have, well, it's kind of Volkswagen powered, but it's Porsche. Volkswagen. Wow. I think he's got some Volkswagens. Now this is nice. These square backs, these things are awesome. A Woody Volkswagen. Now that's cool. That is awesome. Jeez, I've only done one layer, by the way, and I'm running out of room, so I'm going to have to pause this because I think he's trying to kill me. Oh, look at this. Carmen Gia, Rail Riders. This thing is awesome. Wow. I should have got another box to put these in. Dude, what? I wish I could swear more because I would. That's cool. The Baja Bugs. Wow. I'm not trying to just whip through it, but again, I've only done maybe a layer and a half. I'm going to have to pause this in a second. I mean, I'm not going to label or talk about every one, but holy man. See, this is one of my first cars. I had a 5-speed. Actually, it was my dad's. He gave it to me. I didn't know how to drive a standard at the time. I just got my license. Him and my mom followed us up to an industrial park. He says, press in the clutch, step on the gas, and go. And then he left me there to figure it out. Bone shaker. Baby bone shaker. Oh, this would be cool for some Gasland stuff with the wheels. Wow. Wish I would have had this a couple hours ago. All right, I gotta pause this. Hold on. All right, I'm back. I actually took his old box and put some of the stuff in there. Oh, the AutoZone kit. That one's nice. Who doesn't like a Mad Max Interceptor? That's fucking... I actually was gonna buy one of these the other day. Dune buggies. Make a cool street machine. I did one a Dune Daddy. I actually like to do a Dune buggy. I'm gonna actually do one of these soon. Probably that one. Aha. Wow. Look at that. I've been dying to get my hands on one of these. You know, up here there's like nothing on the shelves anymore. Yeah, Jurassic Park Jeep with a clear top. So everybody can see what's going to eat them. What else we got? This is like double wrapped with tape. I should unwrap all these first. I may edit part of this so you guys don't have to watch me struggle. But I haven't cut anything off yet, so that's good. Oh wow, okay, I gotcha. Look at that. Rockford, Illinois. You gotta love the just what went into all these old toys. The castings, and you think back when they were made and what they had to work with. You know, they didn't have CAD, they just had a sculptor that went out and did all this. To be honest with you, I think the stuff was much better. That's actually, it's gonna be like a 30-minute video for unboxing. Oh, dude. Again, I may edit part of this out so you guys don't get bored watching me get frustrated. I know he did it to protect everything. But at the same time, he can take pleasure in knowing it's irritating the shit out of me. Wow. That's gonna go with it. Which means that this... Yeah. Look at this. Look at the craftsmanship that goes into this. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? That is amazing. I love that stuff. Plus I'm a huge history buff, so anything that has, stuff like that. He knows I like racing, especially the Earnhardts. What else we got here? Yeah, I've given up on this being a fast video, so if you guys get bored, I get it. It's like Christmas early, again. Ah, that's a beautiful rally car. I think yeah, I know what this one is. I'm just throwing crap on the floor now. This is nuts. Nuts, nuts, nuts. I haven't even got to the good stuff yet. Oh, I mean, it's all good stuff, but... Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look how cool that is with the motor. Look how clean it is. And this wheel's a little bent. Wow, that is freaking... What's better than one? Two. These, oh man. Another one of these. These things are awesome. Nice big fat mural right there. Again, I'm running out of room. And they haven't cut anything off again. Just like halfway through the box. I don't know where he gets this stuff. I really don't. Hey, another one. How cool are these things? I love these. I mean, I love the tires. That was my favorite tire and rim combo anyways, but just look how slam that is. Already tubbed. They got it right on these. They really did. Hot Wheels kind of screws up once in a while on castings. It's like, what the hell were they thinking? But I had one of these as a kid. You know what's funny is I sold all my Matchbox stuff. I only kept like one or two. And it's funny, I see stuff people post online, and it's like, I had one of those. That's cool. The coffin, that would be cool with like a candy yellow or tangerine. Circa Ed Roth / Gene Winfield, George Barris. Okay. More assholes and elbows over here. I'm trying to do stuff. Alright. So these are the back halves of those. These things are just so cool. Look at that. They're almost futuristic. And finally, there's a couple strays in there. That's cool. Look how small that is. I'm going to so lose that. It's got flames on it. That's cool. And last but not least, my garage. I've been dying for one of these. I haven't been able to find them around here. And I was talking to him in the end. I know we found one. I want to be able to film a little bit of the cars inside and kind of do something a little different and change things up on the channel. I can't wait to open this and set it up. It's like Christmas. Now I know what my my daughters haven't had kids yet. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So if I have a grandson, I think I'll be all set for a while. Although granddaughters could play too. My daughter loves all this stuff. So not to sound sexist. I'm sure I'll get tons of hate comments on that one. But yeah, once again, I don't know what to say. Between Opa sending stuff, John, Crutchfield, William, Robinson, I should call it Mr. VW, not Mr. K7, because this is nuts. But I hope you guys aren't completely bored by this. I get excited, and I hope even if one person gets excited, then it was worth making the video. So once again, thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one.